Here we have a 2004 Vauxhall Movano medium wheelbase fridge freezer van in white. It's done just over 80,000 miles. It's a fridge freezer, so it does go down to minus 18 degrees. So there's a chiller section in the middle and the two freezer units are in the back. At some stage in its life, the van has been owned by a major supermarket, and then since then it's been owned by a fruit and veg supplier based in Wales, and we've bought it directly from them as they bought a newer vehicle from us, and they needed a part exchange on this van. Another really useful feature, which is a key thing with fridge freezer vans, it does have the overnight standby, so you can leave it plugged in overnight and the food or whatever you have in the back will stay cold. Bodywork for a 2004 van is in really tidy condition. These aren't marks here either, this is just has been raining today and just water will dry. All the bumper and side plastic trims are in nice condition. There's a small scuff here to one of the back ones. Apart from that, it's all tidy. In the cab, really good condition for a 2004 vehicle. We've got the control unit here for the fridge, which I will turn on and you'll see running. Even the door cards are in nice condition. In the middle, this is the chiller section, so the units are in the back. They'll go really cold and this section will stay chilled. And here you'll be able to see 2 units. It's a really good conversion that's been done. It's all solid. It's been insulated here to keep it cold. I'll now turn still the engine on. You'll see no lights on the dash, all go out as they should. Actually this one here for the handbrake, and that one there is for the seat belt. Press this button, it will change to get the mileage. 81,823. Engine is really perfect. This is from cold, as you can see, and there's no smoke at all when you rev it hard. Gearbox, now these vans are prone for gearbox crunches and whines. This one is really smooth. It's a 5-speed box, there's no whines in 5th gear, goes back into neutral as it should. Clutch is really nice, no strange noises, it's not too hard, it's not too soft. Yeah, all in good condition. Radio does work, but part of the radio screen is gone. You can either leave it like this and still have the radio working, or you could replace the radio. They're not expensive to replace. Now I'm going to switch the fridge unit on, so you'll hear this kick in a minute. You'll see it drop in temperature as well. It's going to take a bit of a while to go down, but we'll come back to that in a second. Both of these, as you can see, getting nice and cold. The van will come with a 1-year warranty that covers Any mechanical issues on the engine and gearbox for 1 year. There's no mileage restrictions on that, just a £1,000 claim limit per claim. So now you do see temperature is going down. Both of them will go all the way down. It's now gone to 10. And if I try to, yeah, it's actually minus 21 is the coldest it goes to. Working. There is a little bit of trim missing here. At a full asking price, we would be happy to get that for you. It's not a problem. Central locking also works. Time's now locked. Yeah. If you do have any more questions about this fridge freezer van, feel free to get in contact. It's HBI clear. No adverse data against it. Will come with a new MOT, so you'll have a new 1 year MOT. No VAT to pay. If you do have any more questions, please get in contact. Our office number is 01753 267 273. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.